I have a little Facebook tip for you. You know how sometimes you share a post to your wall and then you make a comment at the top and then you want to share that post with a friend, like to send it to them, to invite them to something so they can read your post? Well, I don't know if you know this, but when you click share on your post that has a shared post in it, it will not share your post. It will only share the post that you're sharing. So I want to show you how to do the workaround on that. So one second, I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so here is an example. So let's say you want to share this post to your wall. And then when you share it to your wall, you wanted to make a comment like, I've known these people forever. This family is amazing. You're going to want to watch this. And then you are on your wall. I'm going to show you an example. So see how my brother shared this post and he wrote this? If he clicks share, it's only going to share this post. So here's how you make it so that you can share the entire post. You go to the original post and you expand it. And then you snip it. If you don't know, if you're on a Mac, that is Shift Command 4. I don't know what it is for a PC, but when you hit Shift Command 4, it gives you this little cross arrow here so that you can come up here and you can snip the post. So you snip the post like that. And then you're going to go and you're going to create an original post from that snippet. So you go right here and you add the picture. And then here is the post, right? Now it's embedded into your post. However, here's a little tip. They cannot access this link. So you have to first copy, here's the registration link, and copy this. And you have to write your message. Hello, friends. Friends, I know this family, blah, 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 whatever it is. And then you put, here is the registration link from the post, and you drop it. Now, once you make this post, it is a full post that you can come in and share. My share button is not active right now because I made this to only me, so nobody could see it except for you. But if this was public, you would have the share button underneath. Now you can share that directly to people's messenger, or you can even copy the link and text it to people so they can have it directly to the whole post to them. All right, there's a little Facebook tip for you.